Ramesh had ordered 21 identical packets of sweets, each weighing 1 kg. On delivery, he found that 20 of them weighed 1 kg while one weighed more than 1 kg. If Ramesh has a weighing balance means in which you have two pans. In how many weighings can he definitely identify the packet does not weigh 1 kg? So what we'll do here is instead of sweets, let's say he has balls. So for 2 balls he needs one weighment. One of the pans, the one with more than 1 kg will go down, so he can identify it. If there are 3 balls, then he can divide them into 1 1 1, and if he weighs 2 balls and if they are equal, then the third one is the heavier one, and if one of the two that he weighs is heavier, then we can identify. So in one weighment it can be identified. Now if there are 4 balls, then he will put 2 and 2 on each pan. So one side will be heavier, that heavier one he again weighs, so he can identify the heavier ball in 2 weighments. If there are 5 balls, then he will take 2 2 and 1. So first he will weigh the 2, and if they are equal, then second he will weigh the 2. If they are also equal, then the fifth one is the heavier ball. Otherwise in first or second weighment he will get the heavier ball. What we have to understand here is that we have to use the power of 2 here. We have to use the power of 3 here, sorry, not 2, we have to use the power of 3. So up to 3 balls, 1 weighment is required, 3 to the power 1. So up to 3 balls, 1 weighment is required. Then up to 9 balls, 2 weighments are required. If there are 9 balls, for example, then he will divide it into 3 3 3. So he will put 3 on one pan and 3 on the other. If suppose it comes equal, then out of the other 3, from another 1 weighment he can identify which is the heavier ball. So up to 9 he needs 3 square, that is power of 2. From 10 to 26 he will require 3 weighments. From 10 to 26 balls he will require 3 weighments. Now the same question if you have to answer for a spring balance, knowing that out of n balls 1 is heavier or lighter, then you use the power of 2 instead of power of 3.